anya bibo na-ekwubu ka nyewe na emekoda ka nya na na ka nya zeze ka nya osi eze bụ okwu nya kwuru ka nya se bukwo Nnamdi milo ya kwuru ọfụma kwuo na ibe ọnọ na ndị na-achị achị ekwere ka nya abụlọ ya na-eje mitie ka ọ kọwara ebe ka eje mewaga o nwere ole ndị lọ ya nwere ole mba ebe ahụ and ndị lọ ya nwere ole mba n'ibe na-ekwu okwu o nwere ibe onwe ike mkpenne ndị lọ ya na-ekwuzi ka ebuje na prison ka na-akpọ kuje prison nwaanyị asị na nya ọ bụrụ na kọt ekoe mana nye ekwuru ụdị ahụ oge ọ na-ekwu anyị machara onye ọbụla nwee nchekwu onye ọbụla eme ebe ebere na ibe oge ke Chineke erugo na Chineke emeliwa ebu Chineke maka ahịa anyị niile bụ ka anyị na ya ochekwu Chineke ka uche mmadụ ghara mmeni ka ọ bụ uche ya bụ Chineke eme na Chukwu abụrụ mma nọ mma ọkụ ya bụ uche ya eme ihe a na-ayọ bụ ka anyị bụ ndị Igbo ibe dị na mmeni ọkụ n'ibe ka ọ na-akụziri anyị na anyị nwe obodo nwe anyị nọdụ ama obodo nwa nọdụ mma ọ bụ na anyị nọzụ obodo ama nọ mma onye ọbụla mara amali n'obodo niile dị n'ụwa ibe onye Igbo na-anọga ilu ebe agbapụ n'oyibo kere ya akọwala akọwala ụlọ ndị anyị nọ bebe ma ndị ọzọ ụlọ nwaone dị n'ala Igbo ma ndị Igbo n'ụlọ ebe niile ọ ịbụnanya and ọganiru ka o meta onye ahụ maka ọ dị ya mma ndị onye Igbo ibe ọbụla ọ nọ ọya bụ ele mmadụ ebe ahụ okwu ọnụ Chineke ọ bụrụ okwu ọnụ mmadụ na-adị anyị mma na-eke adị anyị n'oyi adị anyị na-agwụ adị anyị na-agwụ na-abachikwa oke ezi Igbo
We are live at Federal High Court, Abuja.
Oh yeah?
To get a briefing on what transpired today in court, as court denied Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, bail. So we are waiting for the barrister to brief us exactly what transpired. So stay tuned. We'll be interviewing Ikenga now, so pay attention.
Let's go back to there is nothing like trial. Nobody knows going to happen. But then, that is not where you can stand for without having said a very
What are the five? 1 minute so that
the reason why the detention. But anybody involved in criminality, you said it there in court, that person will not go to court. You let that clear to everybody. So people should take it. No longer business of we're here. There's not going to be. It's a time that people have seen.
Leaders of the opposition.
So for those who are confusing us for doing one thing like that, I pray that
I personally received the news of the rejection of the bail application with sadness. It was unnecessary. We lost an opportunity to commence the process of healing. That bail application would have opened the door of opportunity that would have brought stability in our place and opened up for conversation to resolve all issues that have led up to this point. And it's so painful that this is coming at a time that a few weeks ago, the federal government, on its own, in exercise of its constitutional power, discontinued the front of criminal charges filed against and we also are aware that the central government has allowed Sunday to also where he's with his people. So it's so painful that whenever it has to do with an Igbo, there's different interpretations and different reasons for you to keep people in detention. So that is why we say it's so painful. And as a federal lawmaker, I'm calling on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to allow the moment to pass him by. That what the president should do is to invoke the powers given to him and the Attorney General in particular under Section 174 C1C of the Constitution to discontinue these charges that have been filed against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S. And if you go by Section 174C, that this can be discontinued on basis of justice and public interest. It is in public interest and it is in interest of justice that the federal government discontinues this charge. It is also painful for us that this bail application was rejected, but we hope that President Mohammed Buhari should take the moment and discontinue this. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should discontinue this charge. And I'll let my brother, who is representing Nnamdi Kanu
Obi Akwacha. I'm not Chitalian Dikuano. I had not, I have South. The Commander Moko, Ramana Chitania. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S. What Igbo is allowed is the constitutional language. I can speak Igbo in the chamber of the National Assembly. But however, let me speak in English. It's very sad, like my brother said, that there are two separate rules, one for other Nigerians and one for the Igbo man. Nigeria appears to still be in distrust and uncomfortable with the Igbo man. And all the Igbo man wants is, full development and aspirational goals for all persons, regardless of, ethnicity, religion, or gender. We are very saddened about today. Like my brother said, this is a great, unique opportunity that has been missed, that would have been the basis for peace and reconciliation in the Southeast. All the agitations that are happening in the Southeast, all the crime and criminality, banditry, kidnapping that are happening in the Southeast is because of the continued detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S. A lot of people are using his name to commit all these crimes and criminality. The peace in the Southeast, or peace in Nigeria, cannot go anywhere without the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S. The government cannot miss this opportunity, but we are very optimistic that the next hearing, as the judge said, that one, he will be granted bail. He hasn't committed any crime in this country that will continue to warrant his illegal detention. So we are calling on the government of President Ahmed Tinubu to do the right thing and not be held hostage like the former President Buhari did because of his own personal bias against the Igbos and against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu'S. So I'm calling on all Igbos, wherever they are, to remain calm. This man will walk away free one day to the glory of God. Thank you.
You just heard the voice of one of Agocha. His name is Agocha. He's representing one ex-Emporium. So let's go back to the interview.
Now listen to the read of the court. It's not over, but he also granted graciously said reapply, put another application, and then tomorrow they give the resume back. And we want to believe that the president will cash in on this to make peace, full peace, and lasting peace with the Southeast. It's not very fair the way he did it. As a former presidential candidate and as a traditional representing a traditional authority, I am saying it is about time that the young man is allowed to go home, because allowing him to go home cannot cause any more problem. The way it is, I am optimistic and I'm hopeful that the sentence he will get put there. But going by the directives of the court is neither, because if the judge refused to take him to the prison, and they said there are other places that they can be taken to. So it's like halfway home, and we believe it's going to the glory of God and to peace in Nigeria and the Southeast. Thank you. Godson Okoye, former presidential candidate.
Wait.
I did this now. So I make a phone to I did.